for some reason, like when the sun is setting, it just be so ready to go. Like, God dog. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. I'll most definitely be happy to have you here. So stay. So today I am gonna show you guys basically a half unboxing. It's gonna be a really ratchet unboxing, so don't judge me, okay? I go through things. I'm gonna show you an unboxing slash styling type of video with this hair I was definitely sent by Unice. As y'all already know, I'm pretty sure y'all familiar with Unice hair. They're mainly, you know, from AliExpress, but I was actually sent this hair from Amazon. This hair is the deep curly texture, and I got it in I got a frontal with 3 bundles, 12, 14, 16 inch bundles, and I'm not sure exactly what inch I got sent in the frontal. I think it was 12 or 10. It was one of those, but I will definitely have the accurate information. It will definitely be in the description box below, along with where you can get the hair as well. My whole opinion on the hair actually shocked me, I'm not gonna lie, okay? Because it was soft, it was double wefted, which I was like, thank you, Jesus. And the hair did not tangle. Plus, on the frontal, did you know they pre-plug it now? What's up with that? I think these companies getting it together, which is great. So, shout out to Unice for that. The curls, let me tell you, when it's wet, I don't know, you're gonna look like you foreign, which is okay. You know, everybody think nowadays. But that's pretty much all I kind of have to say about the hair. The hair was really soft. I liked it. I actually do have some bundles. I do have some bundles left here, and as y'all can see, I'm running my fingers through it. That's all I do. That's all I do. That's all I do. And I ain't getting no hair. I ain't getting no shedding. And the curls, I don't got no water with me right now, so I really can't show y'all how it look when it's wet, but it's popping. And it is double wefted, as y'all can see. Let me make sure y'all can see that. If y'all can't see it, I'm gonna be sad. So basically, I just did the ball cap method on my friend Unice. Shout outs to her. And so far as what she told me, the hair is looking nice. You know, it's holding up very well. I actually cut it because the inches, it just looked real choppy, like on her head. So I cut it into like a short curly bob. It's really cute. I'm gonna make sure I insert some pictures of it in a video of how the scalp look, because when I ain't even bleached the knots, y'all. All I did was the ball cap method, put some makeup on it and laid it down and sewed it down, and voila, it was looking like scalp. And I didn't even bleach the knots, so it was crazy. Like, I was like, whoever thought of that method, shout outs to you. They need to give you a check every month or something. I don't know what they need to do, but they need to do something. So if you want to see how I styled the hair, keep on watching.
All right, you guys, so as you can see, I'm starting off with Janine. Hey girl. So I do have the bundle, the 16-inch bundle in my hand, I think. She's so funny. But the 16-inch bundle, yeah, that's in my hand. And then that little pink pouch, that was what the hair came in. So now I'm just sewing everything down. As you can see, I already applied the wig cap to her head, because it did take a good minute and I didn't kind of record that part. But I did apply foundation to it just to blend it a whole lot better. So now I am sewing everything down. I'm sewing down the bundles, and I'm sewing down the frontal. And just to let you guys know, the ball cap method, you definitely can reapply it. It's not very hard. All you do is just pull the frontal back, and then just, you know, basically lie down and take off the old wig cap, of course, and then just apply a new one, and then it's like brand new. Oh yeah, also, I almost forgot, I did cut this hair. I did let you guys know I did cut the hair. I cut it to like shoulder length, and you know, when it's like dry, that's when you can really tell like it's really like blotchy, like it's really blunt, like to the next inch bundle. It's really weird. So I just cut it all like to like shoulder length. So right now I am about to just like style it really quickly just to show you what you can do. Don't exactly do exactly what I did. I was just trying to use all of the hair. So I like just applied like all of like the rest of the tracks that I didn't use like to the top bun. I was doing a half up, half down. Yeah, don't do that. Just cut you a piece off and just add some hair, or you can add how much hair you would like. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. And I think that was it, everything I touched up on. So I'm just gonna let the video play out. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.